Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mama on the Go. Hope you guys are doing really good. So today's video is about the Shein shopping haul. Basically it's not a clothing haul video, but it's about the cute and affordable stuffs which I got recently from Shein and I wanted to share it with you all. So here is the package. So I'm going to show you the product one by one. So let's get started. So the first item is going to be this face mask. It is a very pretty face mask. It goes in every attire. It actually looks like a handkerchief, but it is a face mask. It goes like this. Looks like this. Such a pretty and floral print face mask. The second item is going to be this roller. It is basically a facial roller and massager. It has a gua sha board and a roller, which you can use it on serum. After applying serum, you can just use it as a blender. The third item is this tail comb, which is in yellow color. I've just purchased this to make different hairstyles. So yeah. So the next item is this oil brush. This is basically used while cooking. You can just put in oil in the bottle and use this brush over your meat or anything. So yeah. The next item is this hanger. This is basically a belt organizer. You can just put in your belts here and hang it in your wardrobe. So the next item which I've got is this face mask, which is in checks. Basically one packet consists of 4 face masks. One I've already used, so I've got 3 right now. Next is this party wear face mask, which is black in color and has got colorful beads on the top. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It is really nice. So the next item is this headbands. As you can see, it has got such a beautiful prints and colors. The next item is this mask box. Basically I tend to lose a lot of face masks, so I've purchased this one so that I can keep all the masks safely and carry it in my purse. So this is a good buy. Move on to the next item, and the next item is this water spray. You can use this water spray on your face, on your hair. It is really cute in pink color. So next I'll move on to this mobile covers. This is such a beautiful mobile covers. You need to check out Shein to see their huge collection of mobile covers. So yeah, I've got this too for myself. I'll move on to this makeup brushes, guys. These are very cheap and affordable, though we are supposed to use the high brands makeup brush for blending, because blending is very important in makeup. So I've just got this for rough use. It is really nice and soft. Yeah. Next item is this choker. I'll just wear it and show it to you how it looks. So this is how it looks. This is really pretty choker. Next item is this chopper. You can use it on fruits, vegetables, anything to give it a good shape. So yeah. Then I've got this face mask chain in golden and silver color. So it's like accessories to your face mask, which is trending these days. So I just wanted to give it a try to how it looks. So yeah. What is this headband, which is a facial headband basically, and has a bow in it. So yeah, it's a cute one. So I've got this waterproof phone bag, which is in pink color. You can use it while swimming, or if you're going to a beach, you can just put in your phone inside so the water won't get inside your phone. So this is really nice buy. Item is this nail tool, which is a cuticle cutter in pink color. I've also got a colorful bandana, just like that, so while summer you can just put in bandana and style it. The next item is one of my favorite item. It's basically E-shape earring. As you can see, it is such cute earring. Next item I've got is a earring, which is matching with my choker basically. So yeah, it's very cute. I've also got this undergarments organizer. Basically you can just place all the undergarments accordingly and organize it, and it will be in place. I've got another accessories of face mask. This is a pearl designed accessories of a face mask. So this is another useful product which I've got, is the extension to all the iPhones. If you're an iPhone user, it is very useful for you. What you can do is you can put in your charging cord and also your headphone at the same time. I've got another cute stuff from Shein, which is this burger shape iPhone accessories. I'm going to show you in the picture how you're going to use this one. So you've got like different shapes, but I've got this one. Next one is this coffee maker. Basically it's a whisker. You can just whisk your coffee with it. It is really cute and you can carry it anywhere. It's blue in color and you've got different colors as well, but I got it in blue. You just need to put in a battery here and then you can use it. The next one is going to be this coffee molds. I don't know how many pieces are there, but it has got like really different kind of designs in it. So the last product is going to be these bands. These bands are really soft and comfortable. It is basically used during summers. It protects your hands from getting tanned. So yes, I've got this in skin color. If you're wearing a sleeveless top or anything, you can just wear it on that. So that's all about it. Hope you enjoyed my video and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.